In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Kraken armor fast here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you are going to have to be in C2 in order for this to work because this item only does drop from the Sea Beast. And it drops from two different bosses. It drops from the Kraken and it also drops from the Sea Serpent. So a little bit of both. Now to find them, I'd recommend going to Punch Island first and then going over to this little dock and just going straight out about 200 to 600 studs away. And what this will go ahead and do is prompt the open sea section to pop up. That's when you know you're in the right area. Now, keep in mind, you also do need to have about a $500,000 bounty in order for this to work, or they won't even spawn at all. But between the two, Sea Serpent is better to farm because it has less HP and a higher drop chance, and the Kraken armor is extremely rare, so expect to have to fight these guys multiple times. Once you get it, it's going to give you a pretty strong boost to defense, damage, and survivability, but you can also enchant it later to make it even stronger. But yeah, just chill out in the sea after you have that bounty and you're good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.